I'm gonna do a length check so that we can start the challenges off in the new year. Now, the videos you've seen before, you know that I've had a real challenge. It's like a struggle life to measure my hair. Fortunately, I came across this lovely email from a lady called Lauren who just was inspired by one of my requests online. Hey, look at this. I'm not gonna be doing any struggle life with the measuring tape like I have done in times past. I'm gonna just draw you closer. Okay, so we are doing the fringe. So the fringe right now is, so we're going from right back there. So let's stretch it out because we want it to be nice and taut. So let us do this thing. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Why is this such a struggle life? Oh my goodness. I wish there was an easy way. Somebody make a measuring thingy for hair. Can you just invent something that's so much easier, please? Can you just do that? She watched it and thought, I'm gonna make that. And she did. So I'm going to introduce to you the hair measure. This is something that I'm very, very excited to use. You can't see it properly. I'm going to take it out. Wait a minute, okay? This is not a sponsored video, but I'm asking you guys to go and support, okay? She is a boss, a mother of 2 beautiful boys, and she's trying to do her thing. Please support. Right, so I'm gonna measure my hair at the end of the year anyway, and I'm gonna do it with this. So I haven't opened it yet, so we're doing it together. It's gonna be like a first impressions. So it comes in a little nice compacted, you know, very safe and hygienic. Foiled very tight. Okay then, I like the little logo. So you can go on Instagram. I'll leave the details in the description bar, but this is the Instagram logo, the hair measure, and yeah, the website is hairmeasure.com, I believe. Right, okay, so here you go. This is the first hair measure. Imagine that. Imagine that. That's so inspiring. Somebody took inspiration from another person. Let's just get on with it, shall we? So, so first of all, there's a clip at the top of a tape measure, and then there's another clip, okay? There is a video on the Hair Measures site that shows you how to do it, and I was watching intensely because I didn't want to get it wrong, but anyway, so we're gonna do my fringe, and we are documenting it. So, we're doing it in inches, so it's this side. Cleverly, you can do it on both sides, centimeters, inches. So I am just, that's very secure, that's good. And just have a look, okay? It's got these little serrated jaws there, but it's so soft. It's not sharp, it's not gonna rip your hair. And the fabric feels nice and smooth as well. Love it, I love it. Okay, so I clip it. I'm gonna go right by the root of the hair strands. I'm excited. And then with both hands and no struggle at all. So now the other clip is placed where the end of the hair is. Let me just do that again. Okay, so there, look at that. 11 and a, maybe, or wispy bits, 11 and a half, I don't know. It is 12, but, it is 12, isn't it? Okay, 12 inches for my fringe. And I can even take a picture. Look, hands-free, look how easy this is. Okay, gonna do another part. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the side back. So I'm just gonna put it at the root of that one. And then, yep. So now we're just going down. And I can easily, with 2 hands, if I place this bit of hair like that in there, and I can just go like this and see that we are going to land on 14. Almost 14. Take the picture, take the picture. I mean, this is the first hair measure, and it's very good though. Very good. This has to be in your life. You've got to have it. Please head over to the Hair Measure and purchase one of these and bless this woman's business. Let's show some support and some love, okay?